Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to put an object with a transparent background on another image. As you can see, the beach before and then after. I found a car, a beautiful car, with a transparent background on Pixabay. So let's go ahead and get started. I went ahead and saved this image on my desktop folder, and now I'm going to look for a car with a transparent background. So I'll type in car in Pixabay, and you go to color and you choose transparent and then go. And this is where you can see the cars with transparent backgrounds. So I'm going to go ahead and look for some cars. Here's an example. I will click on that car and you can see the checkered background, which indicates it is a transparent background. I will right click and choose Save Image As. I will then go to that desktop folder called Image Portfolio and go into Images, and I will name it Car. I'm going to go ahead and open up Photoshop by going to the Start menu and typing in Photoshop to locate the program. I'm now going to open the images I need for this project. I will choose File, Open, and then go to that folder. I want Beach 2, so I'll select Beach 2, and there's the car I saved earlier in this demo. I will hold the Control key to open up that image. So both images are loaded. I will make sure that I square Beach 1 so that it fits nicely into this PowerPoint, which has a square template. To square the image, I will choose Image, Image Size. I will take the smaller number. In this case, it's the height, which is 720. I will go to the Crop tool. I will choose Fix Size and set it to 720 by 720, which is a square. I will then click down on the image and I will move it. Anything inside of that marquee, when I choose Image Crop, will be remaining. I will choose Image Crop. I will then choose File, Save As. Do make sure it says .jpg. It's really important that you save it as that format. I will then go ahead and I will call this Beach 1 and save. You can go ahead and add it to your PowerPoint by selecting that template shape, going to the paint fill that's under Format, choosing Picture, then locating that folder on your desktop, and in this case it was Beach 1. I'm now going to go ahead and add the car in Photoshop. With that car loaded in Photoshop, as you can see in the Layers window, it's really important that the Layers window is open. If it's not, you choose Window. Do make sure Layers is showing. You click on the Control key of your keyboard and you click on the car on that layer. As you can see, it has selected that layer. I'm now going to choose Edit Copy, go to the Beach one and do Control V or Edit Paste. Now it's a little on the big side, so I will do Control T on the keyboard, which is transform. From a corner, I will drag it. You want to keep it proportionate. Now that might be too small, and then hit the Enter key when you like that transformation. So if you're happy with your image, you would then choose File, Save As, change it from Photoshop to JPG. And I will then call this Beach 2. I will click OK, go to my PowerPoint, select that image, go to Format, Shape Fill, Picture, go to that folder, and there's the image. You now have a before and after image ready to present to the class. This concludes the session on how to add an image with a transparent background onto another image. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.